How to remove a Hunter ceiling fan with no screws. So most Hunter ceiling fans have one thing in common. You won't be able to see screws in them. But it's usually just hidden in the very top part of the ceiling fan. So if you look a bit closer to the ceiling fans that we're showing right now, that there is some sort of line in the very top part of the actual ceiling fan. As you can see over here, most of them do. In this case, this is the line, this is the line over here, and the line over here. So as you can see in some images that usually the top part is just popped in like so. So you could try pulling it out in a downward motion to try popping out the cover to actually see the screws, because in some models it will look something like this. So there'll be a ring over the actual screws. So this is what it's like for the ceiling fan that is covered, and then over here is the uncovered part. So you can try pulling that down, or maybe going in a left rotation, since left is most of the time how you unscrew things. If you're having a hard time pulling it down, you can try using something flat like a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, but that depends on you since this might scratch things. So it's better to use something less metallic, or something that doesn't scratch your ceiling fans or roof. But once you remove the actual covers of the fan, you should be able to see the actual screws, and you can pretty much start actually taking out the ceiling fan. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.